Hey guys, welcome to IT Contents channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can recover all those permanently deleted files from your drive or your flash drive for free. So the first thing that we want to do here, I want to show you that this is a drive that we're going to be recovering data from. So this drive used to have images in it. So as you can see, it's empty. If I open it, you can see it's empty here. So now the first thing that we want to do is go on Google and we want to head on to winfr.org. This is free, so you do not need to worry about it. So as you can see, it's 3 megs. You can click download and that should start downloading. And as you can see, these are just some of the things that you can recover from it, types of files and folders, as you can see from here. So once it's downloaded, we just want to quickly install it. So I've just clicked on the install. I'm waiting for it to open. You can just go with the standard procedure. As you can see from here, it should open up your browser telling me it's successful, but you could close this as well. So here we can say finish and launching it. So this is a software that we're going to be working with. So the first step that you want here is selecting the drive where you're recovering the information. Then here where it says save to, you need to have a separate drive where it's going to store the recovered files. You can't store the files in the same hard drive or disk. It's not going to work. So you just want to click that. So on my desktop, I've created this recovered. So we can just click on it and select it. That's where it's going to store the files recovered. Then here we can just set it to a deep scan or a quick scan depending on the density or the number of files that you have. So I'll just go with a quick scan since I know it's not very big files on the drive. So I can go with start. Then this should start scanning. And as you can see, it's telling me that it has recovered 3, of which I know I deleted 3 images. So now I can view files. I can view the recovered files here. And if I double click here, you will see now this is exactly the files I did remove. And as you can see, all the files are working and we did this all for free. So if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for tips like this. That really helps me out a lot. See you in the next video.